An investment company offers you 3 alternative investment plans, shown in the following table, for a lump sum payment of 10K today. Your opportunity cost is 10%. For example, you can invest your money elsewhere to earn a return of 10%. Refer to the table. There are 3 alternatives here, and the lump sum reward is rewarded at 3 different timelines. 15 for plan A is alternative A is 15K at the end of 5 years. B is 22K at the end of 10 years. C is 60K at the end of 20 years. Find the present value of each alternative. The formula here we use is PV equals to future value divided by 1 bracket 1 plus K to power N. For alternative A, so it's at the end of 5 years. So it's present value equals to future value end of 5 years 15K divided by 1 plus 0.1 bracket to power 5. The present value is 9313.82. For alternative B, same thing. This time around, it's 15K divided by 1 plus 0.1 bracket to power 10. This time around is power 10. Okay, N is 10. So the figure will be 8,481.95. For alternative C, the power N is 20. Everything is the same, just that the power is 20. So it's 15K divided by 1 bracket 1 plus 0.1 to power N to power 20. The value is 8918.62. Which option, if any, would you take? Why? None of the alternatives A to C should be accepted, since the present value is all below 10K. Can you apply the future value concept to arrive at the same conclusions? Show with calculations. The formulas for future value is FV equals to PV times bracket 1 plus K to power N. So 10,000 at the end of 5 years. So we're looking for FV5. Look at the timeline. Okay, so we're looking at future value at the end of 5 years. So it's 10K times 1 bracket 1 plus 0.1 bracket power of 5. So put the figure is. The answer is 16,105.1. $10K at the end of 10 years. We're finding FV10. So we're looking for the future value at the end of 10 years. So it's 10K times bracket 1 plus 0.1 bracket power 10. Take note this is 10 years, so it's power, the N is 10. Right. The answer is 25,937.40. Next, we look at 10,000 at the end of 20 years. So this time is 20 years. So we look finding FV20. So the 20 years is a long time. Okay, we look at end of the value, the future value at end of 20 years. So same thing, substitute figure in. Okay, 10,000 times bracket 1 plus 0.1 bracket to N to power 20. Now as the N is 20. So work it out. The answer is 67275. Alright. Please study the table. Compare the lump sum reward against the calculated future value. What does it tell you? From the table, it shows that the three alternatives give lower returns compared to the other investments that give higher returns. So at the end of it, it gives the same conclusion. We will reject all the alternatives A to C as the calculated future values are all above the lump sum offered under the three alternatives.